Hello everyone, I'm Sara Rizvi and today we are in conversation with Hamid Ansari, the Managing Director of Syscom Distributions. Today we are going to discuss the DIST's plans to ensure business continuity and revenue growth in this challenging market. Thank you for joining us today, Hamid.
Thank you very much, Sara.
So, Hamid, Syscom Distributions established itself here in Dubai in 2013, and since then, you've expanded your footprint in the region, you've diversified your portfolio. Now, can you first take us through your operations here in the Middle East and your plans to expand in the GCC region?
Well, Syscom has its presence in the Middle East since 2013. We are partnered of industry leading brands such as Cisco, HP, Aruba, and Avaya, SonicWall, Fortinet, and Allied Telesis. We provide a wide range of IT business solutions, management solutions, and managed services to our client in the Middle East region. We assist them to adapt to the ever-changing IT needs through new product and technologies. In one sentence, I can say we have the complete IT product and solution portfolio of leading brands under a single hallmark. We all have gone through a very tough last year due to the pandemic. Actually, our expansion plans were to be executed in 2020 but got delayed. However, it has not lowered our spirit. We are going ahead with our plans in 2021. We have chartered a robust expansion plan for the region. By the end of the first quarter, we will have a new office in Riyadh, KSA, followed by Qatar and Kuwait in the second quarter. Oman are also on our radar, and we will have our presence by the end of 2021. While we are opening new offices in the region, we are also strengthening our sales and support team in the existing setup. We realize that expansion simply does not means having multiple offices. It means providing the possible services to our client from each of these outlets. Our main objective of the GCC expansion is to go that extra mile to support our existing and new client in terms of our products, services and solution, which will enable them to meet their business commitments in a cost-effective and timely manner.
So, Hamid, Syscom has been ramping up their vendor alliances. So, can you tell us about your vendor partnerships and how they align with your regional objectives for the year?
Recently, we have signed a partnership with Ubiquiti, Fibernetics, and Digiford, and we trust that these brands will add more values to our portfolio and provide the much needed choice to our customer. Each of these brands are chosen with our clear-cut strategy of keeping our clients' needs and requirement in mind. Our partnership level with all existing brands have grown from strength to strength over a period of time, and I can assure you that it will be the same with these new brands too.
So, Hamid, you've talked about the range of products and vendors that you cater to. Now, which core vertical markets is Syscom helping its channel partners to address with these products, services, and solutions that you have?
It's really a good question, Sarah. We train our partners in a way that they are capable to handle customers across different verticals like healthcare, education, and hospitality, government, banking, oil and gas, and even MEP projects also. Our commitment towards training them and providing technical support to them is really helping many of our partners to get a head start in boosting their presence and winning projects across different verticals. Our pre-sales and post-sales support is the key differentiator between Syscom and our competitors.
So finally, Hamid, can you tell us what will drive your business growth this year? And considering that you have plans to extensively expand your product portfolio and your footprint in the region, can you tell us how you're helping your channel partners to capitalize on the opportunities that will be available this year?
Syscom always see its partners as its representative in the market. a lot of credit goes to them for the high market shares that we enjoy in terms of our reach. It is important that we align our mission with our partners in order to succeed. I can say with authority that our capability to respond suitably and quickly to new market trends has been a key ingredient to our success. We have a dedicated research and marketing team who are working consistently towards identifying threats and opportunities in the market. This ensures us that we are ahead in understanding the new technology trends and responding to them in a proactive manner. Additionally, our sales team and technology experts contributes significantly to our growth plan. After all, it's a teamwork.
Thank you so much, Hamid. Thanks for all the information about Syscom's plans this year and your plans for expansion, your product portfolio. And I'm sure that Syscom will be able to achieve all the milestones that I've put together.
Welcome, Sarah.